Today, we're going to learn how to share our ideas. These are called opinions. Let's learn some opinion words together. Think means something in your head. I think English is fun. An opinion is what you think. Everyone can have a different opinion. Fun means you enjoy it. Interesting means you want to learn more. Difficult means it is hard. Repeat with me. Think, opinion, fun, interesting, difficult.